I had to quit skipping meal prep. With a wife and 4 kids and a job, I have a busy schedule. I'm leaving for work every morning between 6 and 6:30. I'm working, I'm coming home around 5:30. Then I've got a son in football practice, tennis practice. I've got a daughter in lacrosse practice. I've got lots of stuff I have to do. So I'm really very busy all day long and on the weekends too. So I have a busy schedule that I have to follow. What I did was I wouldn't have a plan on what I was going to do. And because I didn't have a plan, then fast food and junk food became my backup plan. So wherever I was, whenever I got hungry, that's where I would eat. It didn't matter. It became a big problem because when I was under pressure or I was hungry or I didn't have time to actually make a meal, that I ended up making poor decisions. So what I had to change was making sure I meal prepped and had a plan for every day. So on Sundays, I would cook every meal I needed for the week. 21 meals would be cooked on Sunday, boxed up, prepared, put in the fridge, ready for me to eat. That way when I woke up in the morning, I could eat breakfast. I could just grab a lunch box out the fridge and take it with me to lunch. When I came home, if I only had a few minutes when I got home that I had to get home and then grab my son and take him to football practice, I grabbed the meal out the fridge, I threw it in the microwave for 2 minutes, took it with me to football practice. And while he was practicing football, I sat in the car and ate my dinner. But having that plan and knowing what I was going to do every day, what I was going to eat every day, and when I was going to eat every day helped me stay consistent to my plan and lose over 100 pounds. Because I really learned through this entire process that preparation is going to beat willpower and motivation every single time. Now listen, if you're struggling and want some help, check out my free Skool community. That's where I post additional content. I answer questions personally and I help people stay on track. I'll put the link in the description below. Give it a shot, check it out. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.